For air conditioner repair technicians, refrigeration engineers, and HVAC contractors, reliable and high-quality core refrigeration parts are the key to ensuring the stable operation of air conditioning systems.
Xinchuangli Electric provides you with a full set of professional solutions.
Established in 2009 in Foshan, China, we are a professional home appliance parts manufacturer with 15 years of refrigeration industry experience, a 20,000 square meter warehouse, and over 100 null SKUs in permanent stock.
We offer a full range of air conditioning refrigeration core parts, including compressors, four-way valves, electronic expansion valves, heat exchangers, filter dryers, pressure sensors, and more.
All products are manufactured in strict accordance with international standards, have passed CE and ROHS certification, compatible with 99% of global mainstream air conditioner brands,
Support, no MOQ mixed orders, same-day dispatch, and fast global delivery.